after 12 to listen to that. And everyone having fun. You can see that, right? It's crazy. The night life is different. The morning life is also different. And you can see clearly there's KFC over there and this McDonald's over here. You see that? Crazy. And there's the beach over there. It's more like Miami, right? Well, people with hijab. Yeah. You can tell everybody having fun and shit. Look at that. It's open for everybody, man. Last night was crazier than this. It's just after 12 and people still outside. See that? This is like 3 hours away from KL, and it's magnificently beautiful. I'm going to show you a quick tour inside the beach. This is another entrance. See that? Kids everywhere. It's crazy. Look at that. Sounds different. The walkway, I don't know what that is. The bridge is somewhere else. I've never been there before. But hey, there's a lot of monkeys over there. Look at that. That's Grand Hyatt over there.